Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. I hope everyone had a wonderful Labor Day yesterday. I'm just doing a sound sample on a bass D tuned to 528 Hertz. 528 Hertz is the frequency of love. This here is actually a customer's flute. It's been created with a 1-inch bore. The wood's not been split, it's been bored out using a gun drill. The finger holes, they are small and they are close together, so anyone should be able to play this bass D flute. I feel like this flute here came out really nice. This flute here is aromatic cedar. Aromatic cedar flutes, no two flutes will be just alike. This one here had some very unique and very beautiful patterns. As you can see. Very beautiful. This flute here, the customer wanted 1 stone on the fetish. It's a genuine turquoise stone. It's wrapped with soft deer leather. For you vegan customers that I have, instead of wrapping it with leather, I always wrap my vegan customers with artificial sinew. The artificial sinew is very strong and it looks very nice on the flutes. So if you don't like leather products, animal products, just let me know. And we can do that for you guys and you ladies. This flute here, like I said, is a 528 Hertz. It's bass D on the bottom. You will see jdflutes D 528 Hertz. It'll be right on the bottom. Folks, to me this flute here has a wonderful voice. This one here is a shiny finish. Now these flutes will come oil. The oil finish flutes will have a much lesser cost than the shiny finish because it takes me a whole lot more work to get this shiny finish than the oil finish flutes. So they will come in oil finish if that's what you would prefer. It will also come with different types of fetishes. I'll send you a list of the fetishes that I'm making as of right now. I'll send you photos of all of those fetishes. All you have to do is just ask me for it. And a lot of times if you don't ask, I'll still send you the photos. I like to give my customers plenty of options to choose from. Bass D tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love, with a 1-inch bore. I'm just do a little short sound sample. Excuse me. most of these videos that I make, I don't add any reverb. I don't add any type of sound effects to these flutes. These are their original voices. So if they sound good on this camera, you can only imagine what these flutes will sound like when you add some sound effects, a little reverb. So I hope you all enjoyed this flute. If you would like a flute from me, my information will be below this screen in the description, and it'll also be at the end of this video. Just simply shoot me an email or give me a phone call and I will get back to you. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Be safe, and I'll see you later. Thank you so much.